Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you all again. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In this video, you'll see how those shiny aluminum sheets and foils are made. Grab a seat and let's explore the incredible process of making rolled aluminum from start to finish. In the aluminum rolling process, the first step is casting. This crucial stage lays the foundation for the production of high-quality aluminum sheets and foils. The journey begins with the preparation of aluminum ingots or scrap, which are melted in large furnaces. The melting process requires precise control of temperature to ensure the aluminum reaches its optimal molten state. Additives and alloying elements are often introduced at this stage to achieve specific material properties, such as increased strength, corrosion resistance, or improved malleability, depending on the intended application of the final product. After the aluminum is fully melted and homogenized, it is transferred to a holding furnace. The molten aluminum is then poured into a series of molds to create large rectangular blocks known as ingots or billets. These ingots are then cooled and solidified, forming the raw material for the subsequent rolling process. After the aluminum solidifies, the slabs or ingots are removed from the molds and undergo an initial inspection and surface treatment. Any surface imperfections are typically removed through scalping or milling, preparing the cast aluminum for the next stage of the rolling process. Rolling aluminum is a unique narrative of expansion and versatility in the huge world of production. Due to the wide range of uses for rolled aluminum and the growing focus on sustainability, the market for this material has expanded dramatically over the last 20 years. Over the last 2 decades, the rolled aluminum industry has not only met increasing global demand but has also adapted to changing technological and environmental landscapes. Continuous improvements in manufacturing processes have enhanced the quality and performance of rolled aluminum products, making them more versatile and cost-effective. The roughing mill is a crucial stage in the aluminum rolling process, where large, preheated ingots are progressively reduced in thickness through a series of rolling stands. As the aluminum ingot enters the roughing mill, it encounters the first set of rolling stands. These stands are designed to handle the substantial thickness of the ingot, applying high pressure to reduce its dimensions. The ingot passes back and forth through these rollers, each pass incrementally decreasing its thickness. This back and forth process ensures that the reduction is even and controlled, minimizing the risk of defects and ensuring a consistent product. A tandem cold mill is a critical stage in the aluminum rolling process, designed to further reduce the thickness of aluminum sheets after they have been hot rolled and coiled. This process involves multiple rolling stands arranged in series, through which the aluminum sheet passes continuously. A cold rolling mill is a crucial part of the aluminum rolling process, where aluminum sheets are reduced in thickness and improved in surface finish and mechanical properties after the hot rolling stage. Throughout the cold rolling process, precise control over the rolling pressure, speed, and temperature is maintained to ensure uniform thickness and surface quality. Following the completion of rolling and finishing processes, aluminum sheets or coils undergo meticulous inspection to detect any surface defects or irregularities. Upon passing quality checks, the aluminum is carefully wrapped with protective materials such as plastic films or craft paper. This wrapping shields the aluminum from moisture, dust, and physical damage, preserving its surface finish and preventing contamination.